Hey everyone, this is the help again. I'm doing an unboxing on a freeze-dried food company that I happened to come across. It was a great deal. I will be doing part two to the other long-term food storage video I still owe. I got sick again. I keep getting sick. This is like I've been sick once every month for the past 3 months. It's really getting annoying, but anyways, I was watching this video and they had a free 72-hour food supply kit, and all you had to do is pay for shipping. So I was like, cool, I went to check it out. And I got that, and then they had a great offer on a 3-month food supply kit, and I was like, really? And the cool thing about it was I didn't have to pay everything up front, and I haven't came across that before. Usually everywhere else wants payment, the full payment up front, but this place was pretty cool because I only have to make 4 payments of $90 or 5 payments of $90, so it actually kind of worked out. But I'm going to do this unboxing. It's from 4 Patriots. It's an ex-Navy SEAL that put this program together, and I haven't tried to eat the food, but I just want to see what's in it. But this is also what was shipped to me, so dig right in here, check it out. Charlie, you want to come help me? I did open it when it first got here, but then I didn't really dig around in it, so I just closed it back up and figured I'd do a video on it. So let's see what we got here. You want to put the box on the floor and then just start handing me the stuff. Watch out for the phone cord. But it said, I think I got 4 of these. Are they all 72-hour kits? How many are there?
6.
This is something else. There's 4. Is that everything in there? No, the papers. Wow, man. There's the water kit I was talking about. Top 10 items sold out. Seed collection. Nice. How to cut your grocery bills, in half. The survival garden.
There's a lot more in here.
Yeah, I know, because that's the 3-month food kit. But I wanted to open one of these and see what's in it first. Oh, sorry. Alright. So one of the 72-hour kits comes with Granny Sweet Oatmeal. I'm guessing that's breakfast. 8 servings. 72 hours, 3 days. So that's for 2 people, I'm guessing. 2 to 3. And finest mac and cheese. 4 servings. This is 72 hours. Another 4 servings. Creamy rice and vegetable. I don't know if I'm going to cook these and try them out or not. If I do, it'll be a separate video for that. Alright. And when you open these, it's actually cool because they made them resealable. Ziploc. Same with the pouches. Granny sweet oatmeal. Let's see what's in another one. Now the red bag has classic bean chili, 8 servings. White rice. I guess I'm gonna put the chili on. Mac and cheese again. Cinnamon sugar oatmeal. Alright. The white rice is 8 servings. Mac and cheese is 4. Stir entire contents of pouch into 3 2/3 cups boiling water. So, I guess you can't cook these in the bag. And this mac and cheese isn't resealable, but white rice is. Move oxygen. Yeah, this is recommended to cook in a pot too. That's kind of crummy if shit hits the pan or hits the fan and you don't have a pan. I don't know about these guys. Alright, let me see what's in the other bags. Alright, on to the next 72-hour food kit. Creamy rice and vegetable dinner. Again. Mac and cheese again. Let me guess. Oatmeal. Granny's sweet oatmeal. Alright. I wonder if they're all the same. Alright. And yes, all 4 of them are the same, so that sucks. Kind of. I guess you get the same meals for 72 hours. That's a big downside. It's nice to have some change. Alright, now I guess I'll go through. Also, it came with the 3-month food kit came with Rubbermaid bins. That's kind of cool, so I'll get one of these over here and start going through that. Alright. Oh, I thought it was paused, but it wasn't. Alright, hearty stroganoff, huh? 8 servings. Amber Waves of Grain cereal. 4 servings. They really love it. Oh, wait a minute. Ma's Homestyle Chili Mac. 8 servings. Some more Ma's Chili Mac. Chicken a la King. 8 servings. Old fashioned chocolate pudding. Alright, 8 servings. Some more 9-grain cereal. Creamy chicken soup. 8 servings. Creamy chicken soup. Another one. 8 servings. Another chicken a la King. 8 servings. Aztec chili with mango. 8 servings. Some more Aztec chili with mango. Chicken a la King again. Chicken a la King. Dang, they don't have a very big menu, I guess. Cowboy rice and beans. 8 servings. Another cowboy. Creamy herbed mashed potatoes, 8 servings. White rice. Another white rice. White rice. That's funny because I have like 100 pounds of white rice and 50 pounds of jasmine rice and 50 pounds of white rice already. Farmer's Market corn chowder. How many servings? 8 servings. Also, the rice is 8 servings a pouch. Some more mashed potatoes. Chocolate pudding again. Some more white rice. White rice, white rice, white rice. Sweetly coated banana chips. Some more chowder. Banana chips, and banana chips. I am definitely not impressed with this. I did get sent another bin like this, so I gotta see what's inside that one. Give me a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, it also came with this tool. It's 11-in-1 tool. Right here. Let's see that. Stainless steel. I have a bunch of little things like this from prepping. And oh yay, my charter member card. Alright, so can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, bottle opener, ruler, 4-position wrench, wing nut wrench, water compass, 2-position wrench, saw blade, and key chain hole. And there's the diagram. Where's that water compass? 8. I have to figure out how to use that. No, I already have a bunch of compasses and what have you. Alright. There was also a phone number that was given me to call as soon as I got this. It said, before using any 4Patriots product, please call 1-800-207-9186 for a brief but extremely important recorded message concerning your order. There's pretty much some other tips and stuff from the guy and some other stuff you might need during a bug out situation, but the phone number again, I'll give it out. It's some information people can use. The number again is 1-800-207-9186. And you can hear from my new friend Frank, I believe his name was. Alright. I wonder if we got a bunch more chicken out of king. Alright. What do we have here? Strawberry cream wheat. Nice. Very nice. This looks like it's different. Fireside stew. And I love stew. I got a bunch of Denny Moore beef stew as well. 8 servings on the stew. Classic potato soup. 8 servings. Very nice. More strawberry cream wheat. And I love cream wheat. My parents actually raised me on Oatmeal and Oatmeal and cream of wheat, so kids today, they'd probably consider it a punishment, but I love it. Classic potato soup again, 8 servings. Dinner Bell broccoli bake. That's kind of an odd thing for surviving. Like, how are you gonna bake? See here, open pouch, remove the absorber, bring 1 cup of water to a boil, add half a cup of mix and stir. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stir occasionally, remove from heat and serve. 8 servings. Some more fireside stew. America's finest mac and cheese now, not Ma's. Alright. More Dinner Bell broccoli bake. Some more finest mac and cheese. And by the way, that is only 4 servings on the mac and cheese. Some more mac and cheese. Some more mac and cheese. Yeah. Potatoes O'Brien. Nice. 8 servings. I don't really think this was worth the 500 or whatever. Could have went and got this stuff a lot cheaper, I'm pretty sure. So, cinnamon sugar oatmeal, 8 servings. Some more cinnamon sugar oatmeal. Cinnamon sugar oatmeal, cinnamon sugar oatmeal. Dude, overkill. Change it up. Okay, there's a lot of cinnamon sugar oatmeal in here. That's very upsetting. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's about all this box is. Wow. So that's all you get is cinnamon sugar oatmeal, a whole lot of it. Powdered milk, 8 servings. Powdered milk. Powdered milk. Star Spangled Strawberry Energy Drink. More powdered milk. More powdered milk. Another Star Spangled Strawberry Energy Drink. Some more Strawberry Energy Drink. And, oh, what do you know? Strawberry Energy Drink. Frank's Favorite Alfredo. 8 servings per container. So 3 Alfredos. And both these boxes are 3 months worth of food. I'm gonna be... I mean, that's... It's pretty much all the same food. A lot of cinnamon sugar oatmeal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where'd the rest of it go? 7, 8. Give me 8 of those oatmeals. It's kind of upsetting. Could have changed it up. I love oatmeal and all, but 4 servings. I mean, that would be half your month is eating the same oatmeal. Or a month, actually. 3 months. Yeah. They could have gave me more of the O'Briens. They only gave me two of the potato O'Briens. My kids are probably gonna be upset, but I mean, I have other food. I'm not just relying on this. I showed some of my stash already, so I am kind of curious about this strawberry drink, the energy drink stuff. It's fine, it's Mac. I don't know if it's America's, because isn't that what Kraft says? Alright, well, there's that. I also have some other stuff I was going to show you guys real quick. So let me get this out of the way and I'll be right back. Alright, and here's my Dutch oven that I got. So I will actually be able to bake. It's not too deep, but it's not too shallow either. Nice little handle. I got this at Walmart, I think for 15 bucks. It's got the legs on it, so I mean you can actually put this right in the fire. Put your lid on there. Good to go. What's in the bag, you're asking? Well, I live in Washington State, so we have a lot of wetlands, and that means a lot of insects and mosquitoes. I have a lot of kids, so this is all bug repellent that I got. So this should last for a while. I heard after the hurricanes hit in South Carolina and everything, they got overran with giant mosquitoes. And also, if you look back on another video I did on a bioengineered mosquitoes that they created to try and fight the Zika virus, but that's all in a different video I already did. But these are pretty cool. I got this stuff at Walmart too. These are bracelets and they last for 7 days. Of course, I have 5 kids, so my oldest is 22, so I mean, honestly, my other 4 are pretty young. I have 13, 10, 8, and 5. So that's why I got these bracelets. So, and then I'm going to put them in bug out kits for them and everything. And then also the spray bottles, you know. So then I got these little quick ones that throw in bags. And alright, show you what else I got. 1 second.